If you are thinking about tinting your car, this is definitely one worth checking out. ThinkAuto 339 right now is a good deal. So this is the one of the best selling package from TUHU Car Care. It comes with a 5-year warranty. Any quality issue will replace it for free. And right now, full car package is only 399 ringgit. It uses ThinkAuto Premium High Heat Rejection Film. You'll get a full set installation, front windshield, 4 side windows, rear windshield, 2 triangle windows, plus sunroof if your car has one. There's a total of 9 pieces fully done for your whole car. So a lot of people will worry about the tinting, JPJ check or whether it's legal. 339 is made to meet Malaysia tinting standards, so the light transmission is compliant, so you don't really have to worry about the inspection or root block. Don't let the price fool you, there's still a proper branded film. 339 is made with a high heat rejection material that helps reduce heat and block UV. It also built to last, not easy to bubble, and won't fade quickly. Once installed, the privacy level is actually quite good. From outside, it's hard to see clearly into the car, so you can personal space feel more protected. But from inside, visibility is still clear. Even at the night, it doesn't affect your driving view, so everything still feels safe and comfortable. It's not just what we say, it's tested. IR rejection is above 85% and TSER goes up to 39%. UV protection is up to 99%, so you don't have to worry about the long hour and sun exposure while driving. It won't interfere with your signal.
Wow.
GPS, car system, phone call, mobile data, everything works as normal. We also include free tint removal and professional installation. And if there are any quality issues within 5 years, we'll replace it for free. Full car tint package only 399 ringgit. Slots are limited, first come first serve. Just download the TUHU Car Care app and reserve your booking.